we're at I don't know, Osprey Point Cherrywood barbecue place, and this is where most of the bigger gators.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Mac and I make travel videos all over the world. And for this video, we're gonna be down here in Kiawah, South Carolina. So if you look here on the map, you can see exactly right here, just towards the coast, right near Charleston, South Carolina in the United States. So guys, to start out here, we're gonna head down to the beach, so we'll see you down there. So guys, we're down here in Kiawah with Mark Phillips and Liz at their place down here in Kiawah Island, and Mark's gonna tell us what we're doing for the next couple days here.
So Kiawah is a private island. It's really nice because there's not a lot of people, especially on holiday weekends. You know, we're about to go back to the place, get ready, go downtown Charleston. We're about, I don't know, 40 minutes or so south of downtown Charleston. So we're, you know, far enough away from Charleston to, you know, enjoy ourselves, have some peace and quiet, but close enough that we can enjoy a night in the city. And thankfully, Kiawah has, you know, a shuttle limo to go downtown.
What's the plan for tomorrow then?
So tomorrow we're gonna go to the Sandcastle. It's I don't know, kind of like a members only pool, I guess. I really don't know how to explain it, but it's got an infinity edge pool. You guys will see it tomorrow. It's beautiful. And so we'll just lay by the pool and the beach and get some drinks in ourselves and some food as well, hopefully. Hopefully the weather's great and we you know, get some more sun and a little bit more sunburn. So excited to share it with you guys.
Alright guys, now we are heading downtown to Charleston. Downtown Chelsea knows this place quite well because she spent, what, 4 or 5?
5 years.
And a half years? 5
Undergrad
years.
and grad school.
So now we're gonna go check out the city, right?
Mm-hmm.
We have the king and queen right here up front.
Hey, hey.
What's going on, Mark? You got the tunes, Mark? Let's go.
Come on. Welcome to our kitchen, guys. I'm Chef Russ. It's Chef Tim, your fry house. If there's anybody going to be nice to tonight, has to be Tim. We'll hold the alcohol. More about your menu. This is it right here. It tells you everything you need to know. You know, I mean, it's very descriptive. But the reason why I write that way, though, is because it's serving group fashion. Yeah. So once everybody has a course of problem, the chef that prepared that course will go over with y'all, telling you know the ingredients, how it's put together, all that fun stuff going on. That being said.
So guys, we just finished up an amazing day down here in Charleston. We went to some rooftop bars. We went to this restaurant that Liz made a reservation multiple months in advance, and it was this tiny little place with, like, I think maybe seats for maybe up to 20 people. And they made so many courses for us, desserts, food, wine, everything you can imagine, and it was delicious. And then of course we had to see what Charleston was all about for the nightlife, which was a blast also. There are so many more bars to check out. Unfortunately, we only had time to make it to just a couple. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up our last full day here, and we're gonna head right back down, of course, to the beach because we had so much fun yesterday. So let's head down to the beach for day 2 and see how it goes. And then we're gonna finish up the night with a sunset.
and this is where most of the bigger gators kind of are. And there's one just there.
So guys, that pretty much wraps up an amazing weekend here in Charleston and Kiawah, South Carolina. Would highly recommend coming down here and checking out this area of the United States if you're ever down here. The weather is perfect almost all year round, and just couldn't recommend it more. Chelsea lived there for multiple years and loved it. The food, the nightlife, the things to do, places to see, kind of everything encompassed, and being that close to the beach in Kiawah just makes it one of the best places in the United States. So guys, as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.